Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone at the top. Now let's localize OS version and keep tapping on it until you see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings, scroll down and find additional settings. Then let's scroll down and find developer options, and as you can see here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show the floating clock. Here we've got some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and overall networking. So in order to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switch on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. However, you will have to restart your device to remove the developer options. After that, the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the OS versions tab and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.